So my sister Isa sent me a message this morning and told me that baby went and hid in the CR. She doesn't normally go there. Tapos I googled and it's a sign that the pet is dying. So we're gonna visit her later kasi baka hindi ko siya maabutan pag alis ko bukas. I bought food for myself and my sister. She wanted bananas, so I have some bananas over here. Tapos meron din tayong food. This is tilapia and rice. Pareho kami. We're gonna go hit the gym in a bit. I'm just waiting for my sister. So, I'm so sorry to start the vlog on such a sad note. Pero, ay, sobrang nakakalungkot lang. So, later after the gym, we're gonna go back home. And then, we're gonna go visit baby and eat lunch over there. Already here at the gym, guys. I'm done with the elliptical, with the treadmill, with the stairs, and then that rowing machine. Yan. Tapos, ito na ako ngayon. Seated chest press. Gym session is done, tapos nag-shower na rin ako, and right now I have my mask on. Speaking of my mask, I only have one left. And I have another backup bag over, yung bagong ganito. So, dadalhin ko sa Bohol yun. Siguro mga 6 masks para hindi ko na kailangan magdala ng mga naka-bottle na skincare. So, I also got some contact lens solution na maliliit lang. Para hindi siya sumabog sa bag. Tsaka okay daw, 35 ml lang, so pwede ko siyang i-carry on din. Tama ba? I also emptied the fridge para ma-defrost ko rin siya. No more laman. And Isa is over here. She's so tired. Hello, Bish. 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 Ay, nako. New vlog is up, guys. Tapos may bago rin akong review, makeup review. Pinky's Collection lipstick, matte lipstick. And then right now, we're just going to go na. We're just gonna go pay some bills and then pupunta kami ng nearby dress shop para ipagawa yung dress ko. Na sana mura lang kasi for sure mura lang yan. So, yan. Baby. Jack. Uy, guwapo. Guwapo. Pwede mo electric fan sa? Hindi ka may lipat sa labas yung electric fan.
For sale, branded for sale.
Ayun, baby yan eh.
Ay, pututu.
Katabi ko matulog, si Benny Bear. Cute. Taba. Ang taba-taba. Mrs. Baboy.
So cute.
Baboy kang baboy ka, ha? Hi. Come here. Isa si Haribari. Haribari. Hi, baby. Asus. Asus, mga bebes ko. I love you, Benny. Back in the apartment na, guys. Dinaanan ko yung pinatahi kong dress. And what do you know? Nakalimutan tahiin yung damit ko. So, wala. Hindi siya naayos. So, baka not meant to be siya na maayos kasi nakadalawang try na ako, diba? Kaya mo na. Sila na kasi to. Anyway, I got dinner. Well, I stayed the whole afternoon at our house. Just staying by baby's side. And nag-uwi ako ng dinner from, kay mama to galing. And then, bumili rin ako ng taho. Ang lamig sa labas. Hindi ko alam bakit. Anyway, guys, I don't think, I'll be able to see baby pa pagbalik ko galing Bohol. She's really, really weak. And, yun, kanina, doon kami ni Isa tsaka ni Mama, kaming tatlo. You know, just surrounding her and making her feel na nandun kami. Yun. Lumalamig na kasi yung paa niya, malamig na yung paa niya, malamig na yung ulo niya. So, as in, sobrang payat niya. So, yeah. It's so sad talaga. So, ay nako, buhay talaga. Kaya ayoko na magka-aso. I still have 7 dogs. Kakalurks. Anyway, guys, dumating na yung mga package na hinihintay ko for tomorrow. I'll open this after I eat dinner. Kakain muna ako. Alright, so this first package is from the brand Oh My Bag. I'll have their link in the information box. So basically, mga bag care items ang meron sila. Yung mga handle strap, bag stuffers, bag raincoats, and iba-iba pa. So ang in-order ko sa kanila ay bag filler. Bag filer. Yeah, this one is called the bag raincoat. And then, we also have the versatile weekender bag, which I will be bringing to Bohol since it's really huge. And I'll be able to put my laptop in this one. So, tignan natin kung bongga siya. Ayan yung itsura ng bag. Man-made leather daw yung material niya. So, I'm guessing sana matibay. Yan. This is the bag raincoat, guys. Look at that. Yung nasa loob is may Samantha Tabasa bag. It's so awesome. Butas yung ilalim niya. Pero, you just slip it over your bag and then, voila! Bongga! So, again, what I got is the Oh My Bag bag filer. We have the bag raincoat and the versatile weekender bag. So, go check them out in the information box, guys. You can order online. You can follow them on their Facebook page or Instagram and their Twitter. Meron din sila sa Zalora. The next package naman is from Rovin's Place. And she also left like a really sweet message over here. Thank you so much, Dash. She's actually in labor right now. Yung nag-message siya sa akin. In labor daw siya. So, she sent over a couple of clothes. This is perfect for Bohol, guys. Ito yung perfect na off-shoulder eh. Yung nakahiwalay sa nakahiwalay sa sleeve. So, it's like just a black off-shoulder top. I love it. I'm gonna bring this one there. Naligo na ako, guys, para when I wake up early in the morning, hindi na ako maliligo. So, I'm also gonna do like my hair tonight para pag-gising, makeup na lang, then go na. So, I'm ending the vlog na since I still have to finish packing. Yung Ask Stay pala, guys, I'll be filming na lang in Bohol. So, I'll have it up by tomorrow then, so I'll make sure I put it up. So that's it, guys. Please don't forget to watch my latest makeup review, and I'll see you guys in Bohol. Bye!